Hello there. What's the question? Welcome to channel. In this channel, we answer all kinds of questions. We will answer all questions searched on YouTube. A reminder before moving on to the video. You can subscribe to the channel and open notifications to support us. Like buttons are there to show how much you like my videos. Show them now. So what is the question of the day? Let's take a look together. Hop. One. Visit a free online YouTube thumbnail maker. There are 7 free online YouTube thumbnail makers listed below, but we featured PhotoJet in this guide because it's one of the only YouTube thumbnail makers that doesn't make you sign up for a free account before you can create a thumbnail. Their robust thumbnail maker lets you customize and download your thumbnails completely for free, no email address necessary. Two. Upload a photo or choose one of the thumbnail maker's templates. YouTube will let you upload any picture from your computer as your video's thumbnail. But if you don't have a vivid visual on your computer or you need some inspiration, PhotoJet's got you covered. They have over 23 free templates that can serve as your thumbnail's foundation. Three. Add text, clip art, or a background to your thumbnail. Once you picked your picture or template, you can make your thumbnail stand out even more by adding text, clip art, or a background to it. To further clarify your video's subject matter, consider adding your video's title to the thumbnail. Additionally, if your photo, graphic, or text is bright, consider placing it on top of a dark background. The color contrast will make your thumbnail pop. The same logic applies to dark objects and bright backdrops. Four. Download the finished product to your computer. After you finish polishing your thumbnail, press the Save button at the top of the page. Next, title your thumbnail and save it as a JPG or PNG. Its resolution will already match YouTube's recommended resolution, 1280 x 720 pixels, so you don't have to worry about resizing it. Seven YouTube thumbnail makers. Along with PhotoJet's free online YouTube thumbnail maker, there are 7 other thumbnail makers that can help you customize your own YouTube thumbnails. Before you create a thumbnail with these tools, though, you need to sign up for a free account on their websites. 1. Canva. With more than 2 million images in their library, hundreds of fonts, and customizable backgrounds and colors, Canva gives you more than enough resources to unleash your creativity. 2. Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark lets you select from thousands of photos on the web and a variety of built-out themes with their own unique layouts, colors, and fonts to craft eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. 3. Crello. With Crello, you can create engaging thumbnails by blending a multitude of designs, photos, backgrounds, text, and objects together. 4. Vism. Choose from a wide selection of templates, photos, graphics, colors, and fonts to create a thumbnail in Vism. 5. Photo. Photo provides templates under certain themes to help you create captivating thumbnails. 6. PicMaker. Screenshot. November 8, 2018 at 2:45:55 a.m. with over 100,000 graphics, 1,000 stock photos, stickers, borders, backgrounds, text, icons, and filters, and an automatic background remover. You can create a gripping thumbnail on PicMaker in plenty of ways. 7. Snappa has over 500,000 stock photos, an assortment of professionally designed templates, and customizable graphics, shapes, and text to help you create a YouTube thumbnail. They also have a drag and drop functionality to help you create your own custom thumbnail template.